Yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Nice to have you here in Bangalore during IMTEX.
It's a
How are you
pleasure.
feeling about the IMTEX crowd and what is your feedback on IMTEX? After a long time we are having, I think it's more than 4 years now.
4 years now.
Yeah,
Actually, we were also participated earlier
Very
in
nice.
MTechs. And we were as a cutting tool manufacturer, we participated. Apart, we have our own manufacturing unit for tool cabinets and other things. Those we displayed last time. This time we are as a visitor.
yeah. And we are very proud to have you here because Carboline Toolings is very big customer for us.
Yes.
And I'm very happy that we got through your company. How you're feeling about our product
Ma'am, I
range?
just tell you, see, we are associated with UCAM more than 15 years as of now. From 2008 onwards, we started first UCAM
Yes.
with for our VFW machine. Then 2012 another round machine we gone for, and recently we had 4 machines. And initially we took it for our cutting tool manufacturing requirements, and it is working fantastically. So we are very happy with that, and we want to go with for new component division we want to go with UCAM. So that's why we associated with you this time.
Thank you.
And of course, 4 units we took for our manufacturing division. Another unit we took for the cutting tool division.
I think
Things
now
are- we
it's
are-
more than 5 numbers which is working in your
Yes,
organization.
no, I think 7 numbers.
Yes, yes.
So all put together, it is
Very-
now 7 numbers we are there.
Very nice, very
And
nice.
of course, we are planning for another few more machines this time, and we'll be going for 5th axis. That is what my
Thank you.
this time expectation.
How is this adding on to your productivity?
Ma'am, it's a basic requirement, I can say.
Thank you.
More than
The
helping out.
complete tooled up solution, whatever you are
Yes,
buying.
yes.
Thank you.
See, because what we are manufacturing in component division, it is very precise. So repeatability, high repeatability is required, and it going into automobiles. So where human life is precious. So any mistake happens, any small deviation of even 0.1 mm variation comes. Oh, entire life threatened.
Yeah.
So that kind of component we are manufacturing. UCAM is product is so much supported with it.
Thank you.
And
How
we-
you rate UCAM, sir? With respect to the products you are using now.
Presently, we are using only UCAM.
Thank you. That says everything.
I don't have
that says
anything
everything.
comparable to say that we are
Yes,
having
thank you.
2 things and UCAM is best or better. UCAM only we are using. So of course, we will continue further with
And I
UCAM.
have a last question. What do you feel about our new product range with a different look? What we have come out with in Imtex?
Great, ma'am. Great. I have to get used for and understand better to use your new products now.
Sure, we do that, sir. We'll come to you. We'll have a lot of discussions.
Please.
Look forward for your business. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you
ma'am.
so much, sir.
Thank you.